Today, we are breaking down one of the most critical high-risk processes in pre-production: how an art director breaks down a screenplay to itemize every single props, couch, picture frames, and background details without wrecking the movie's budget.
If you miss a line in the script during pre-production, it can cost you hundreds of thousands of naira or dollars in emergency rush fee on shoot day. Before you touch a single highlighter, you don't just start tagging items immediately. Experienced art director use the 3-pass system. The audience read. You read the script strictly as a fan. No notes, no highlighters. You need to catch the overall mood, tone, era, and emotional weight. Even if the action lines are identical. The structural category pass. This is where the standard color coding system comes in. Purple or green props. Objects handled by actors. Yellow, brown. Set dressing and furniture. Items fixed in the space. Pink, blue. Tactical gear, vehicles or special effects. Pass 3. The financial risk pass. You go line by line looking for hidden costs. Does an actor smash a vase? That means you don't buy one vase. You need 3 identical breakable props vase for retakes. One of the biggest mistakes entry-level filmmakers make is confusing set dressing with props. If an actor touches it, interacts with it, or uses it in the story, it is a prop. If it sits in the background to build the environment and nobody touches it, it is set dressing. Why does this distinction matters financially? Because props requires continuity management and duplicate. The financial risk and hidden cost audit. Real financial risk that burns through budget during script breakdown. The clearance and royalty risk. If your breakdown includes posters, wall art, or branded products in background, you can't just buy random artwork off the street without checking copyright clearance. Using copyrighted art can get a film blocked on major streaming platforms. We either create custom artwork or buy cleared stock art. The transport and logistics multiplier.
I will deal with you now. Give me this ball.
Sourcing a massive 3-piece sectional couch looks great on paper. If your location is on the 4th floor of a building in Ikoyi with no elevator, your logistics budget just doubled. You have to factor a transport vans, movers, and damage deposit for every single heavy set piece. damage an old deposit factor. When renting props or high-end furniture from local vendors, you typically pay a rental fee, a refundable security deposit. Some call it refundable caution fee. If an actor spills coffee on a rented 500,000 couch during a 14 hours night shoot, you lose your deposit. We always budget a 10 to 15% contingency buffer, especially for set restoration and prop repair. Creating the master breakdown sheet. Once everything is tagged, the art director consolidates everything into a master script breakdown sheet. This sheet is sorted by location rather than scene order. We group them together. That way, our set decorators know every single prop and furniture pieces needed for that location in one single sweep, saving days of unnecessary back and forth hauling.